Kong, I also wanted to ask you about the remarks of former President Duterte last night at the proclamation rally of PDP Laban. He accused President Marcos again of using drugs, particularly heroin. He also used the word bangag. I'm curious, how does Alianza, or you particularly, how do you plan on addressing that? I mean, what's the message?
I don't plan to address it, di ba? Kasi ganun naman yung playbook ni President Duterte, di ba? Basta't, even before, di ba? Basta't kalaban niya, yun naman ang number one accusation niya eh. Di ba? Either a drug user o drug pusher. Di ba? So bakit pa natin papatulan yung bagay na yun?
So in the coming sorties, we shouldn't expect President Bongbong to address that in any way.
I hope not. Di ba? Wala eh. It's a playbook. It's already a formula. Di ba? Basta't kalaban, o ikaw, pusher o user. Ganun lang naman yun.
But as far as your candidates are concerned, your advice is don't comment on it. No need to respond to it.
Ano, hindi man naman, hindi nga namin tinitignan kung ano yung sinasabi nung...
Really? Don't pay attention?
Nung kabila. Okay. Basta yung pinag-uusapan namin, ano yung plataforma, ano yung mga dapat mong paalam. Kasi may sarili-sarili naman silang... First of all, 5 minuto lang yung time ng bawat isa. Strictly followed yan.
Kasi kung strict kayo sa 4 to 7, malamang strict din yung time sa stage.
Strict kami dyan. So, sisimula kami ng 4, o 4, kahapon napilitan kami ng 4:30 kasi medyo mainit pa. So, meron silang 5 minutes and they all follow naman. So, imagine, bakit nila aksayahin yung oras nila para sagutin yung isang bagay? Eh, ang importante, ulit, malaman ng tao kung paano sila makakatulong doon sa buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Yun naman ang mahalaga eh. So, bakit nila sasayangin yung oras nila doon sa bagay na yun?